Mrs. Bindu Anand is a qualified Cambridge IGCSE and IB examiner with more than 25 years of teaching experience. She specializes in taking classes for IGCSE, IB, AS, and A-level curriculums. Her distinct and scientific teaching methodology focuses on the development of the student at every level.
Hello guys, welcome to my IGCSE class. I am Mrs. Bindu Anand, a biology teacher. I'm in the field of teaching for nearly 25 years. Currently, I'm working at an international school in Mumbai, which is following Cambridge IGCSE and A-level program. Today, I'll be covering the topic respiration, which is topic number 12 of IGCSE biology. The syllabus code is 0610. Today, what we will see in this topic: the definition of respiration, the features of gas exchange surface, structure of respiratory system, role of ribs, intercostal muscles and diaphragm during inhaling and exhaling, the effect of physical activity on the rate of respiration, differentiate aerobic and anaerobic respiration, understand that lactic acid built up in muscles and bones during vigorous exercise cause an oxygen debt, and the composition of inhaled and exhaled air. I'll be teaching you both core and extended syllabus with more emphasis on extended curriculum. Look at this picture. I hope you have heard about the term respiration. And what is the difference between respiration and breathing? Is there any difference between respiration and breathing? Are they the same or are they different? Of course, respiration and breathing are two different processes. You can see in this picture, look at this picture. The first part is breathing and the second half is respiration. So, what is the difference between the first part and the second part? In the first part, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released by our lungs. So taking in of oxygen and releasing of carbon dioxide by the lungs is known as breathing. What is the use of this oxygen, or from where our body is getting carbon dioxide? This oxygen is used up by the cells, and cells use this oxygen for a process. That process is called respiration. It is actually oxidation of nutrient molecules. As a result of that oxidation, energy is released and a waste gas produced, which is carbon dioxide, which is given outside. So the second part is called respiration and the first part is breathing. We can define respiration as a chemical process which happens inside the cell, and the release of energy from food molecule, that is respiration. So in short, we can say breathing is a physical process. What is meant by a physical process? A process in which no new things are produced. And respiration is a chemical process, a process in which a new thing or a new things are produced. So breathing is a simple biophysical process and respiration is a biochemical process. Why we have added the term bio? Because both of them are happening inside living system. So breathing is a biophysical process and respiration is a biochemical process. Then what is meant by breathing? Inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide by our lungs is called breathing. Whereas what is meant by respiration? Respiration is the release of energy from the nutrient molecule which happens inside the cell. That is respiration. Breathing happens inside the lungs and respiration happens in all the cells of your body. Breathing in the lungs and respiration in all the cells of your body. And as a result of breathing, energy is not produced. As a result of respiration, energy is released. Don't use the term energy is produced during respiration, because we know that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So always use the word energy is released during respiration. So we can come to a conclusion. What is respiration? Respiration happens inside the cell It is a chemical process. As a result of respiration, energy is released. Now we will see what is the use of energy for living organisms. We are using this energy for many metabolic activities within our body. So what are the uses of this energy for us, for any living organism? First, this energy is used for muscle contraction, or the energy is used for movement. You know that muscles brought about movement. Muscles contraction and relaxation will result in the movement of either the whole body or the part of the body. So respiration, the energy released during respiration is used for muscle contraction. Second one, you have heard about germination of seed. Germination involves both growth and development. For the germination of the seeds, energy is needed. Then, for cell division, our cells are constantly dividing. Either for growth or for the repair of the body, cells are constantly dividing. And for the division of the cell, energy is needed. And for many metabolic activities within our body, for example, almost all the enzymatic activity, some amount of heat energy is required. And you have heard the term active transport. What is meant by active transport? Movement of molecules from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration. Against the concentration gradient, if molecules are moving through a protein channel, energy is needed. That process is called active transport. So for active transport also, energy is needed. Then just feel the warmth of your body. For keeping your body warm or to maintain the body temperature, we need to have some amount of heat energy inside the body. The heat energy is released during the process respiration. So for all this activity, our body needs energy, whether we are human beings, plants, or any living organism. For carrying out all these metabolic activities, we need to have energy, and energy is released during a process. That process is called respiration. Thank you so much for listening to the class, and have a good day to all of you.